South Korea's stock market saw another blockbuster IPO with Kakaobank. The country's biggest internet-only bank is now also the biggest retail lender by market value. Shares rose by the daily limit of 30%. Here's Eum Ji-young with a breakdown of the numbers.
South Korea's largest internet-only lender, Kakaobank, took center stage in the market on Friday in a stunning debut. On the benchmark KOSPI, the stock opened at 53,700 won, or about $47, which was already around 40% above its IPO price. There were ups and downs during the day, but in the end, it rose by the daily limit of 30%. At the end of Friday's session, Kakaobank had become the country's biggest retail lender by market value. The IPO raised its market capitalization to about $29 billion, making it the 11th biggest company on the KOSPI. Last week, investors scrambled to get their hands on shares of Kakaobank during the two-day pre-IPO subscription period. Bids were made by 1.9 million people who put down some $50 billion in deposits.
I deposited 100 million won because the company looked promising. When Kakaobank first opened, it drew lots of attention, and I believe the number of accounts is currently the largest among local mobile banks.
But there has been some controversy about its valuation. Some say Kakaobank is way overvalued because it's relatively small in terms of asset size and earnings, considering that it's now become one of the largest financial institutions in the country right after listing. But an expert said it's fundamentally different from other banks and it operates in a new sector.
If Kakaobank's value is assessed in the traditional way, you'd have to say it's overvalued. But new industries with growth potential at Kakaobank usually do have high valuations like this.
He added that investors can look forward to some other big IPOs in the near future, including Kakao Pay, Kakao Mobility, and LG Energy Solution. Eum Ji-young, Arirang News.